Puspusan ang pigigibong preparasyon kan Bicol University para sa taunang BU Olympics na opisyal na bubukasan sa Oktubre 22 asin madurar sundo sa Oktubre 26. Kaining Biyernes kan magpaapod nin coordination meeting ang direktor kan BU Institute of Physical Education, Sports and Recreation o IPSR na si Dr. Karina Sales para mas mapaghandaan ang dakulang aktibidad. Presente sa pagtiripon ang mga representante kan Legazpi City Police Station, Daraga Municipal Police Station, Daraga Public Safety Office, Bureau of Fire Protection Bicol asin ang piling media partners.
Okay, actually we are just waiting for the final day to come. We are almost ready. The students are ready, all colleges are ready. Nagkaroon na kami ng first coordination meeting with the uniform men and of course yung mga sa health services so as to ensure na no untoward incidents will happen on that dates.
Pira sa mga pigtukar iyo ang events logistics, program flow, game proper as in closing ceremony. Kabali naman sa mga nakalinyadang aktibidad sa week-long celebration iyo ang BU Fun Run, Zumba concert kaibaan international Zumba instructors Mr. and Miss Bicol University as in BU Hataw na pagpapartisiparan ng 15,000 na dancers. Pira sa mga nakalinyada man na sports events iyo ang basketball, volleyball, athletics, swimming, chess, combative sports as in iba pa.
Actually, taon-taon inaabangan talaga. And of course, inaabangan dito, matatalo ba ang IPSR? Being the champion for how many years? And I think may fear din kami ngayon because almost all colleges are very ready to compete now. And they are almost talagang ready to fight now. And of course, ang pinakabago ngayon is our fun run. This is for a cause, for our PatFit equipments for fitness and sports.
May tema ng aktibidad na Harmony in Diversity, Celebrating our Shared Humanity. Mientras tanto, nakatalaan sa Oktubre 16 ang final coordination meeting. Para sa mga baretang Tatak Bicol, Angeline Dagdag.